Can you see my future?
No, but we're back with Series 7 Doorables and the magic magnifier to figure out.
Do we have 5, 6, or 7? What's your guess?
We've been having 5.
I'm gonna go with 7. I'm optimistic.
You're optimistic. We'll start at the bottom this time.
Yes.
Maybe that's it.
1.
Is there one there?
Yes, there's one there. Go to the middle. 2, 3.
3.
4.
5.
5 again.
5
All right,
again.
let's get them out to eat. Time to eat.
Ready to eat. Eat.
Tally ho, start guessing, Mama.
Yep.
All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
I believe this is fear from inside out. So
All I want is Kevin.
we want Kevin and a full Doug.
Yes, because we only
But-
have half a dog.
It is
Fear.
Fear, who
Yes.
I believe we have.
We'll give him to Karen.
We do have fear.
Yep.
So,
All right, Mama, start to guess in the next one.
alrighty.
All right, Mom, who do you think it
I'm
is?
gonna guess Ka from Jungle Book.
And you are wrong. It's
Wrong.
Louie.
It's Louie.
Yay! And Louie, you have these both facing the same way,
I gotta flip them.
is new.
Yes. we do
Yay!
not
And
have
he
Louie.
is a common, as is fear. So, Mama, get your next one.
I will.
All right. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I believe this one is Syndrome from The Incredibles, but let's find out. And I
You are
am
right.
correct.
And his head's shiny.
It sure is.
And
shiny.
Syndrome is a rare.
And we don't have Syndrome.
Nope, so he is new just like Louie. So
Yes.
on to the next one. Do you know?
I think this could be Olaf again.
Let's find out.
I am correct. It is Olaf.
And we know somebody who will be very excited to
Yes.
have him.
Yes.
Cough, cough, my hairdresser, cough, cough.
Yes. We
Yes.
do love Olaf.
All right, on to the last one. Who do you think it is?
I'm hoping it's one of the color reveal.
You think it's Hank, right?
I do believe it is Hank. So
Okay,
let's
are you right?
find out. Yes, it
Is
is.
it
a
Hank?
color reveal. It is
Hank! All right, let's get our cup and get him revealed. All right, we already have yellow Hank. Hopefully this is orange Hank.
We're hoping for orange Hank, and I am just kind of feeling confident that it
Yes,
is.
all
Let's
right.
find out.
Drop him in. Boop. Tally ho. All right, Mama, are we ready to pull him out?
We are.
Are we right?
I believe we are.
Is he orange?
He is orange.
Let me get a paper towel so we can clean him
He
off.
doesn't.
So you can see, here is what both Hanks look like next to each other. They're very cute, and they actually look like they're shiny too, so that's nice. So for reference, we got our special edition Hank, we got another Olaf, Syndrome, Fear, and Louie. What you gotta say, Mom?
Very cool collection. So now we're trying to organize all of our collections.
Yes,
Yes.
that's gonna take us a long time.
It is going to take us a long time. But thanks for coming. Thanks
Right.
for watching.
Bye, everyone.